guys, welcome back to my channel, Journey to Health with Seals. Now guys, I have an amazing mask for you today. This mask is going to be packed with vitamins A and B1 and B2. It has vitamin C. Guys, it has minerals such as zinc and calcium and iron. All these ingredients are designed to stimulate the regeneration of cells in our bodies, and so that we can have this youthful, glowing look all the time. Guys, if you're struggling with wrinkles and fine lines, if you're struggling with large pores, this is the mask for you. If you're struggling with mature skin, this is the mask for you. If you want to look like a 16-year-old, regardless of your age, this mask is specifically for you. Come along with me in the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to put it together and how to apply it to your skin. Now guys, it's time to put together our mask. And so come on over so I can show you all the important ingredients that's going to tighten and give it that beautiful, youthful glow. Okay guys, as you can see, we have all our ingredients here. Okay, so we're going to use one banana peel. So today, instead of using the actual banana, we're going to use the banana peel. In addition to the banana peel, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of rice. We're also going to be using a cup of water. And we're also going to be using a tablespoon of milk powder. Okay, now this is a skim milk powder. This is the one I was able to pick up at the store today. But, you know, whether it's skim or not, you can still go ahead and use it. We're going to be using cornstarch, and we're also going to be using lemon. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing, guys, we're going to be cutting up our banana skin. Okay, and we're going to add it to our pot. And to that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of rice. Okay? And we're going to cook this in 1 cup of water for 10 minutes, guys. Okay, guys, so in the interest of time, I went ahead and cooked my rice, my 2 tablespoons of rice and the banana skin. And what we're going to be doing now, guys, we're going to be blending it. Okay? So I'm going to pour my rice and my banana peel into my blender, and I'm going to blend it until it's smooth, completely smooth. So after I've finished blending it, guys, I want to strain it to make sure that there's no remnants from the banana peel and the rice, to make sure it's completely smooth. So as you can see, guys, this is completely blended out. Now guys, it's time to add our ingredients. This is the mixture that was just blended, and as you know, many of you might not know that banana peel is amazing for our skin. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It is an amazing skin moisturizer, guys, and it's also a skin soother. You know, if you have rough skin, this is a perfect ingredient to give you that nourishing and that smoothing out of your skin. Next ingredient we're going to be adding, guys, is the cornstarch, and we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And as you know, for those of you who have never used cornstarch before, cornstarch has vitamins A and B1 and B2. It also has vitamin C, and it also has minerals such as zinc, calcium, and iron. All these vitamins and minerals in cornstarch promote the regeneration of healthy skin cells. And so guys, this is an important ingredient in your skincare today, in this particular DIY today. It's going to lighten and brighten your skin, guys. And so this is where, you know, the combination of the cornstarch and the banana peel and also the rice give our skin a natural glow. It also has great and tremendous anti-aging properties. It is soothing for sun damage. It also improves the elasticity of our skin, and it mattifies oily skin. So if you have oily skin, this is a perfect DIY for you today. Guys, it also brightens our skin and give it that natural glow. As you know, lemons are great at brightening and lightening our skin, and it does give us that deep clean in our pores. So we're including lemons. And just as a side, guys, if you do not have the powdered milk, don't be afraid to use your buttermilk, okay? Or you can use your regular milk or whatever milk powder that you have. Now guys, you want to make sure that all your ingredients are mixed very, very well. Now guys, time for the fun part. Now that we have put this amazing ingredient together, now it's time to apply it to our face, our neck, and our chest area. We want to make sure that whatever we apply to our face, we also put it on our chest area. And guys, this mask is going to make you a 16-year-old. Believe it or not, just give it a try. Okay guys, so I just cleaned my face using the oil cleanse method. If you are not familiar with the oil cleanse method, you can see it on my channel. Go and check it out. It's an amazing way to keep your skin moisturized, especially during the winter months. So guys, as you can see, my face is thoroughly clean. Okay. Perfect way to keep your skin clean. The oil cleanse method. So go ahead guys and check it out. Now that my skin is completely clean, I need to apply my mask. So I have my mask here guys. And so, all I'm going to be doing is apply my mask in upward stroke. Now guys, you're going to keep this mask on for approximately 30 minutes. You want to make sure that it's completely dry. And as I said guys, this mask is going to transform your skin. We're talking about real transformation here. Okay? This mask is a staple in my routine. You know, we're all getting older, but we want to make sure that we take good care of our skin. Now guys, as you can see, I put my shirt on a little bit so that my chest area can get this full effect of the mask. I want to make sure. And as you notice, I'm applying my mask today with my fingertips. Okay? Feel free if you want to use applicator brush, you can go ahead and use it. But today, this mask is a little bit thicker, so I like to use my fingertips to apply it. Now guys, one of the primary ingredients, as you've seen, is the banana peel. And I know many of you have never used banana peel, but you know, this banana peel has a long list of phytochemicals and polyphenols. As you know, these help to fight free radical damage in our skin. So, you know, once you have a lot of free radical damage, guys, that's when you start showing aging. And so we want to make sure that we are doing our DIY on a regular basis so that we can regenerate new skin cells and we can keep ourselves looking youthful and refreshed. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to keep this on for 30 minutes. I'm going to show you what it looks like and then I'm going to wash it off. Stay tuned. Now guys, it's been about 20-25 minutes since I've been wearing this mask, and guys, I understand the reason why I love this mask so much. It is super tight. It is pulling my skin together, which tells me that it's closing up all those pores in my skin. Look at my neck guys. Look at my neck and my chest area. Okay? Okay, I can barely talk. Okay? You can see how tight the mask is. It's extremely tight on my face, guys. Every time I use this mask, it always wows me. It never fails to give me that youthful, flawless looking glow. Okay guys, I'm gonna wash it off and then I'm gonna come and show you my results. Now guys, I just came out of the shower and what do you think? I think my face is actually glowing, don't you think? I'm actually loving this right now. Now, as I said before, this is one of my favorite masks. This is a mask that I've relied on over the years to close up those pores. And one of the things I want you to do, guys, you wash your face with warm water and then you're going to wash it with cold water afterwards to close up those pores. And then you're going to go ahead and apply your favorite moisturizer and your serum. I showed you how to make your serum for your specific skin type. Go and take a look at that video on how you can get beautiful, gorgeous glow. Now guys, I have not yet applied my serum and you can see my face is already flawlessly glowing. I'm just loving it right now. I'm just really loving it right now. So go ahead guys, try this mask out, come back to this video and let me know how you liked it. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today, and if you enjoyed the video today, go ahead and like it so that others will see it and they'll be inspired by it. And if you have not yet joined this amazing YouTube family, I invite you to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and become a part of our amazing growing YouTube family. And until then, guys, it's cheers to your great health and great looking skin from Journey to Health with Seals. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!